Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my cockpit that is completed by the whole avionics that we are working on top of that or we are using. It's when I'm going to fly. So you have the autopilot with Garmin G5 that is sent by the RB-01. This is the 3D map, as you can see. It's very fluid. And then there is also traffic. Here you can see the traffic. It's very easy to pinch, zoom, and whatever. And then you can go back on the artificial horizon. And then another task that I'm going to show you is the stick. So we have the new stick, so you can moving around with the stick, zoom in, zoom out, so you can change the screen, you can go on traffic, you can go whatever is needed. You can see I'm going to change the screen. So this is not the only thing that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you also the new version of the design and latest version of the RB. Now you can see this is installed on the front. So this is the first version that is on the front, like the Garmin G5. So we have also a cover that if you put on top of that, here it will be aligned. So it is very beautiful. Then you have the design round, similar round like this one, or you will have the square outside. All the design are open source, and then you can find the 3D printing design on the website. So it's very wonderful. Now going back to the traffic, here you can see that this is the RB-01 with the traffic that is fully integrated with the LX, and then this is the RB-01 is integrated with the HSI of the Garmin for the autopilot. But going back to the latest version of the RB, what we are going to show you is this one is very wonderful. So here, yes, we started to work on the EMS. So it's very beautiful. You can see that here there is an example that is something that is yellow, so it's warning. So it's very beautiful. So we are working on the engine management system, and then it will be ready maybe in September. If you want to help, any help is appreciated. As you can see, everything is free for personal use, and then there will be, if you want, a royalty if you're going to sell them. There is a community. Join the community for all the information and having all the tips, and share your design.